Hey everybody, I got the AirHug Bluetooth speaker and I wasn't sure I was going to be able to connect up to my MacBook, but I also got the Bluetooth adapter for the computer in case I wasn't able to. Thankfully I was able to, so I didn't end up needing this, but I'm going to show you guys it anyway here what it looks like. So it's basically just a little Bluetooth USB device, so you can just plug it in and it'll give you Bluetooth. So how cool is that? It gives you just the ability to do that. So it'd probably hook up for other headphones and other things as well too. So I may end up just keeping it and using it for other stuff, but they sometimes end up with some Bluetooth stuff. I actually have a Bluetooth keyboard that I use on my Fire Stick. Might be able to even use that for that. I wonder if I can connect this up to my Fire Stick. I'm gonna have to give that a try. But this is really cool. So it just gives you a Bluetooth adapter that you wouldn't necessarily have otherwise. So thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.